Have you ever thought about typing names online to earn up to $525 a day? How great is that, really? Let me show you how it works. It's definitely a unique opportunity when you type a name like Paul, Matthew, or John. As you can see, if you enter one page with names on it, you can get paid $15. Pages will pay $75. Typing 20 pages will get paid $300. If you type 35 pages a day, that's $525. The best part is that there are no limits. Type as much as you want and earn as much money as you want. This is something you can do on your phone or computer. It's completely free and you can access it from anywhere in the world. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss the registration process, which is actually quite complicated and most people get it wrong. Welcome to Easy Money. Here you will learn the latest online money making strategies, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to stick around until the end of this video, as I will be giving away a special bonus website. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, hit the bell and be notified whenever I upload a new video. Finally, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me show you this website where you can start making money online from the comfort of your home. So, let's Google the website talentdesire.com. This is what that shall be displayed on your front page. You don't have to make any investment or spend any money. As you scroll up, you'll notice that they offer a variety of work-at-home options, such as online proofreading jobs, freelancing blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. There are a range of options when it comes to jobs, but for the purposes of this video, we'll focus on working with online typing. Because online typing work is one of the easiest tasks you can do on this website and it does not require any prior experience or technical knowledge. Find out more by clicking the red Get a Job button here. Because it shows that you can earn between $13,500 and $27,000 a year by coming here. This is actually a very good earning potential for people anywhere in the world. And, as you can see here, joining is completely free. There are no hidden cards before you sign up and we never ask you to invest at any time. Here you can see that you can get paid at different rates, from beginner to expert, depending on your skill level. And in an instant, we'll show you a strategy nobody knows about. Here's our first bonus tip. Just type your name into a search engine to rank higher. Visit theratape.com website. This is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test. Try typing speed test. You will get a typing certificate from this website, so you get the certificate for free and you need it because it increases your income and earning rate with each page. As you start typing on this page, it calculates your accuracy, including how many words per minute you can type and whether there is any spelling or typing errors. Accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%. As you can see above, the more accurate you are, the more money you earn. You can take a typing test and get a certificate from this website to prove your typing speed and accuracy. That can quickly increase your payout percentage. As you can see here, when I finish typing, it shows my typing speed, which you can see here, and my accuracy, which you can also see here. Don't worry. If your accuracy is less than 98%, you can go back to redotype.com and take a free typing test until your speed or accuracy improves. Before we get started, I'll give you some time to subscribe and give the channel a thumbs up. If you have liked the video so far, and if this video was interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. It's time to get back to work and make money. Please go back to the video, scroll down and click this link. You can sign up for a free account. You can create a free account by providing your name, email address, and password. So please click the yellow register button after agreeing to the terms and conditions. When you're satisfied, you can scroll down and click certificates. If you type it in English, it will read as if your name is being awarded and it will also show your redotype.com signature to make sure it's legit. Stay tuned as we will teach you how to sign up, enroll and apply for a typing job at talentdesire.com. This is where you can earn $50 on projects like this. Scroll down again and you can click that print button right there. But don't worry. You can do it on your computer or mobile phone. Just view the certificate image or save it as a PDF file. Just click the Save button. Now we want you to go to talentdesire.com, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the red button that says Apply Now, to take you to this page where you can apply for the job. However, the registration page here is quite complex and difficult to find, so be careful and watch the video until the end. If you don't look carefully at this part, you may get lost or not find the registration page. Then scroll down to see what's available and choose the app you want to use. Then click on this red link to go to this page where you can apply for work-at-home jobs online. Please look for the red link that says Enter your details to apply and work with us. As you can see, the site's registration page is fairly hidden. So, if you can't find it, watch the video, bookmark it, or save it to your playlist and watch it again. Scroll down this page and you will see where to enter your personal information. The first step is to enter your first and last name, email address, phone number and country, then click the down arrow to agree to our privacy policy. We welcome people from all over the world, including Jamaica, India, Nigeria, the Philippines, and the United Kingdom, USA, and Pakistan, etc. Let's move on the next page. This is basically your professional information and an important component that most people overlook. Now, we want you to enter Professional Data Entry Specialist in the job title field, so it is very important that you enter the job title accurately like this and then to choose the hours that are best for you. Then click the down arrow right here and select any time. We recommend it all day because it gives you more opportunities and jobs to make more money online. From here, use the down arrow to choose the best option for collecting your income. PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer or direct deposit. So, I personally choose PayPal. You can now scroll down and select your current job status and select one of your statuses from there. So in this case, we're just using self-employment. After entering all details, click Yes, I have read and agree to the above. And don't forget to sign your name. You can sign by entering your full name here and clicking I am not a robot. Then click the Submit button. If accepted, you can start typing challenges like this to earn $15 for just 300 words. And that's just one page. Then add $15 to the second page, $15 to the third, and so on. You can earn $15 for every page you type, but you have to turn in your work on time so you can get more daily jobs. That's it. If you like this content, please watch my other videos. If you like it, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. If you have any additional questions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.